So idea when you dance, not only jive or swing, anything in Latin, you have to attack the floor. Attack the floor. So you a little bit dancing, choreography, everything is up. Like you taking energy up. Everything is up. So therefore, musically, it doesn't look right. Energetically, it looks like the energy is not in the right place. So do this exercise. Put ball of the foot on the floor. Now use your tummy in and use a little bit pressure. Yeah, it's like almost, you see, I'm with my weight, I'm falling towards the floor, and my foot like catching my weight. You see, I'm not doing tapping, patting the floor. I'm literally falling to the floor. And with my weight, I release my gravity, like I release myself to the gravity, boom. And then I go boom, heel down, and you see now I feel very heavy, and I go boom, and I work against it. So it's like a work a little bit. Boom, and I hear feeling is like somebody will press on you, and you try to get out through a resistance. Yes, it's like there is a pressure, like it's not like you have two heavy bags, and you want to get out. 1, 2. So that feeling of gravity, and it comes from tummy in, chest forward, and you kind of like you pressing with your weight. Like what it means press with my weight. Let's say if I stay with the Zachary, just stay normal. See, I'm pressed with my hands, and now see I'm pressing with my weight. So it's more strong, right? So that's you're gonna press with your weight towards your feet, and keep in mind this keyword: attacking the floor. Like I'm not dancing towards Zachary, I'm dancing towards the floor. Ta ta, triple step, down and down, down and down. And I just like imagine that you constantly attacking the floor. So you have that, like you more heavier than you are, or you carry 2 heavy bags. So you don't want to look light, you want to look grounded, and you want to direct your energy towards the floor. And now once you have this, for example, we have a sailor step, sailor and step to the floor, sailor and down. So now when we start traveling, we're not attacking direction, we're still attacking the floor. So the energy is very much perpendicular to the floor. And very much also feel the heel to the ground. So just go ball, heel, and then you want to feel the heel going into the floor. Cha, 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 cha. And I like to almost like a hit and then get out. Ta, 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 cha, 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 cha. So basically you dance how you dance, but when you got to here, down, down, energy down, energy down. Ta, down, down and down, down and down, 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 down and down, down and down. Or go cha cha cha, down and down, cha 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 cha. Everything down to the floor, to the floor, to the floor. You can still be connected to your partner, but your own connection to the floor through the gravity should be more than to your partner. And it's the same for ballroom dancing. If you do, let's say, waltz, 2, 3, it's not bending legs, it's releasing your weight to the gravity. And 1, 2. And that's how you start having this driving walk, because you release your weight into the gravity. The same in cha cha cha, cha cha cha, to the floor, walk, to the floor, walk. Cha, 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 and walk, attacking the floor, always attacking the floor. The same samba, down and down, boom, gung, 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 gung. That's why having heel on the floor is very important, because then you can sense the groundness of the movement. But natural feel is to do like this, light, but then you're gonna be a little bit going faster than the music, and you're not gonna feel that the fullness of the song. So ground. So that's what you want to try. So try it together. Let's say if you do a basic jive, you have and see. Of course, I want to connect to my partner. Of course, I want to feel connection. I want to feel more connection myself. to my own foot, to the floor. And you see now we connected here, we feel here, but we also feel towards our own leg, towards the floor. And 1, 2, triple step down, triple step down, down, triple step, triple. Let's do place change. 1, 2, chiga-da-da. And you should press your own body towards the floor stronger than you press to your partner. Down and down, grounded. You see, I ground myself. Cha, 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 cha. Ground myself. Walk, walk. Cha, 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 cha. How I ground myself? You release your weight to the floor, and also you have these compressions. Then you constantly imagine that the energy goes down. It goes down, then you can move. So if you want to go forward, the energy go down, then forward. Down, then forward. And let's say if you want to stretch up, the energy still goes down. So in a way, you in an artificial way, increasing the gravity field. More is gravity down. Let's say if I want to make a beautiful posture, so I send my energy down, and that's how I grow. Now you see, from here I grow, I try to stay as tall, and then I still work towards the floor through my shoulder. Then it's a good walk. So I have that gravity feel. Like if I say to you rotate, you can see it very well. But this feel is kind of, it's hard to see. Like a gravity, it's hard to see, but you can tell who is grounded, and then you will have this more continuity of your body, and who is just doing body action and light. A little bit like dancing on the ice. You want to dance, it's like you're dancing on the sand. If I step on the sand, I press myself to the sand, so I'm go deeper to the sand. So I'm deeper inside the sand, not like I'm dancing on the ice. So sand, I step, and now I'm deeper into the sand. So I make my feet hide inside the sand. That's why like people who don't put heel downs, it's just a sign that you're not grounded enough. So it's good. Many people feel, don't feel comfortable to have the straight leg, heel down. And this is the idea of the whole every dance, groundness. So keyword, attack the floor, do not attack your partner. Yeah, so don't attack the space. Attack, you can still connect, so even go walk, walk, attack the floor, walk, 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 walk the floor. See, I'm attacking the floor. I'm not just, doing stuff, I'm attacking the floor. Whoa, pressing down. Cha, 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 pressing down. 1, 2, ta, da, da, da. I'm attacking, ta, da, da. So then you start creating relationship between yourself and your standing leg, which connects you to the floor. Standing leg, connecting me. Ta, da, da, da. 1, da. This is called also going from muscle to bone. So this is my muscles, and this is a bone. Muscle, bone. Muscle, bone. Walk. Walk. Cha-cha, for example. Even here, I can lift my heels up, but I still press down. Cha-cha. Wa. But if you don't press yourself down, cha-cha, there is a chance that you're going to be popping up to the floor. Walk. Imagine like you have a belt. Walk. Cha, cha, 1. Or if you're doing swing or jive, down to the floor. Walk. Walk. Triple step. Triple step. Down and down. Yeah, so feel this gravity, something pulls you down. Rather than just just light and happy, but more grounded and extremely happy. Yeah, very good. Yeah, very good. Yeah. And your pressure, your connection to your partner should be always less than your connection to the floor. So when I connect with her, when I create a little bit pushing feeling, this, yeah. I always start with myself towards the floor, towards my own leg, rather than just like, moving my spine only. See, if I only move my spine, that's just the spine. But if you ground yourself with the spine, yeah, that's much better. So now I'm connected through the gravity, to the floor, to myself, and to my partner. Then the feeling is good. walk here, hip twist. See what I'm doing? I'm grounding myself by grounding her. I'm grounding her by grounding myself. How ground myself? Into bone, muscle to bone. Let's do it this way. Walk, walk, twist, walk, walk, walk. Because I see many people, they talk about body action, but not too many people talk about how grounded you are. To the floor, to the floor. Womb, down, 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 down. Womb. Yeah. Then it's more, the movement is more full. It's like you creating a resistance which is not there. You create it on purpose. Like you create a rotation to make more angles, to make it more beautiful, more unique. You create groundness is much more difficult to understand because like if you do rotation, you can see it. Grounded, I mean, you cannot really see it. Because you can still do this, but not be grounded. So grounded is more like also mindset, where you tell yourself, attack the space. Do not, or attack the floor, do not attack the space. So if you do later samba, you're beginning cruzado walk, don't just, fly there. You can still fly. You have to really attack the floor. 1 and 2 and cha 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 cha, like this grounded force, like somebody holds you like this. Yeah, drop the hands like this and do cha 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 cha. So it's a different feeling, right?
Yeah.
Like, but when somebody do this to you, your spine goes opposite to grow. Like you have a two heavy bags. They used to teach like 15 years ago. I saw the teacher on Blackpool. She was having 2 luggages, Louis Vuitton, heavy, and she was doing walk, walk, cha, cha, cha. Why she had luggages? To demonstrate that point. Like when you dance without luggage, looks almost the same, but with luggage, there is different. But definitely when you dance, you create this gravity. Wow, you feel so much more different. It gives you that womb, that fullness, that control. So dancer, they feel, and also the judges, people from outside, they can see like, wow, they don't know what is it, but that's, or rather I just go from point A to point B. So your point A and point B there to the floor. Exactly where? Under your heel, right here. Right. So that's direction of your movement. So it's somebody asks you what is direction of your movement, you should say down towards the floor, through my heel, through my shoulder. Boom. But direction of maybe your, I don't know, step is forward. Direction of your dance is always down. Always down, right? Even when I go on tippy toe, if I do spiral on tippy toe, it's still direction of my spiral, it's still down. Tick, tick, even on tippy toe. And exit out of it is down. And in between it is always down. Yeah, and it's like you put this invisible heavy suit on yourself on purpose because it creates a very amazing effect. Right. Yeah, so this was a little bit lacking in your jive when you were dancing. It's a bit ta 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 ta.
Do it, Oleg. Do it one time the way it's supposed to look.
I mean, it will look just good, but well, why it looks good is hard to explain. Just because I direct my energy down, and then I'm very. So see, I even position my body here. Why? So I'll be more grounded because I create more like a falling feel, and then I catch da 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 da, rather than like something like that. And then on music, you feel like you're never rushing. You feel like you're always on time. You feel in control. So try with the music. Let's see. Where was that song?
On this one, I'm gonna put it back on here.